Good day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to insert your giving set or connect your giving set to your syringe. So what we need is your syringe, your giving set, and razor or surgical blade, whichever one. But razor is what I have with me here. So using giving sets, there are three different sizes of giving sets. One is very tiny, one is a bit bigger, then we have blood infusion set, which is much more bigger. So it's easier to use it with the blood giving set than the tiniest one. So this is the tiniest giving set. Now this is the tiniest one. So what we are going to do, we are going to cut from, let me see, diagonally, not straight. Cut it slantly so that it will allow you to insert the syringe. So not cutting straight, you slant it, cut it slantly. Meanwhile, you can cut it anywhere, maybe close to this bulb or very close to the outlet there. But cutting it close to this bulb here will require large volume of fluid. It consume large volume of fluid because of the size of the tube. But when you cut it closer, you use less volume of fluid to prime or to fill the space. So this lock, you don't need it. So you can just cut it off or cut it and remove it. You don't need the lock because the machine will do the opening and the close, so you don't really need it. Also, there's something also tricky about using syringe pump that I will also explain maybe later on. So you can see how I'm cutting it slantly because I'm using a blade and it's not as strong as surgical blade. You can see how slant it is. So cut it slantly. You can see. So this allow you to easily insert the syringe. So you can see just like this. Then you can see how I'm turning it. So that's how you insert it in. So I'm going to get a water now and put in the syringe so that you can see how it is. So I've gotten the water, so you can see how I insert it into it. I'm going to, let me see, press the plunger as if it so you can see, though the water is not very visible, but you can see that the thing is passing through. So let me try and get a visible liquid so that you can see how it's working. So let me go get another liquid now, maybe oil or something. Let me get oil too. I chose to use oil because oil is difficult to use, so I use the difficult one so that you see, because it's slippery and so simple, and push it in just tight. So you can see as I'm pressing it, you can see the oil is going through. It's going through. You can see that it's dropping. You can see. So that's how it works. So like I said, using the blood giving set, because the internal diameter is wider, so it's much more easier to use the blood giving set.